1 second, pulls up from 3, and buries it at the horn.
You can't repeat by doing the same thing. I mean, you gotta be better. You gotta be tougher. You gotta be stronger. You gotta execute better. It's a mindset. Get into that grimy mode. The opportunity is not something that makes me happy. It's winning and take advantage of the opportunity that makes me happy. You know, the buzzer goes off and we're not victorious. So, be thankful for the opportunity. Nope.
Hey. Man, what up, y'all? It's your boy Whisper Thing, man. I'm back up in this thing. Man, today's one of them days you don't want to have, man. My car, I'm having issues, so I'm sure as you guys saw by the thumbnail, I got to take my car in over to the dealership, get it checked out. I've got my side detection system warning light is on, and also I'm having some like hard shifting, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my car in for that. But real quick, before I get into that, man, first off, just RIP Kobe, man, for real. I'm gonna just go ahead and take 8 seconds of silence for my guy, man. I've always been a Lakers fan, so. But anyways, man, Kobe, he wouldn't want us to be down. We gotta have that Mamba mentality. We gonna keep striving, we gonna keep going, and yeah, let's get it, man. So I don't know about you guys, but before I take my car into the dealership, I like to get a video of everything, show I don't have any curb rash on any of the wheels. I don't have no door dings along my doors anywhere. So if I got a door ding or something, when I come back out of that dealership, you know what happened in there. As you can see, smooth as glass, man, smooth as glass. Now I do have a little small scratch right there that goes, it was there when I bought the car, but other than that, I don't have no door dings. Let's look at my wheels. No type of curb rash on these things. So, like I said, you guys, I'm getting ready to head out to the dealership right now. I don't have no issues in the back. I'm getting ready to head out to the dealership. It's in Elk Grove, which is like 45 minutes from where I live. If any of you guys know where Sacramento, California is, it's right by there. It's right before you get to Sacramento coming my way. So passenger side door, same thing. I don't have any door dings anywhere, so if I come up out of there, made a Chevrolet, I got some motherfucking door dings. I'm gonna be on y'all's ass. Check out my front wheels. No type of curb rash, nothing. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna hop back in my car. Gonna be heading back out to the dealership. Like I said, I got that side detection warning system light on. So I'm gonna go in for that. I'm gonna go in for my transmission. I got a little bit of hard. All right, so like I said, I'm taking it in, got a little bit of hard shifting. I'm pretty sure everything should still be covered under warranty. I got a pretty good warranty, so we're gonna see once I get out there. But all right, y'all, I'll catch y'all when I'm out there. What's up, y'all? So I just dropped my car off. You see the dealership over there. So they told me they might need my car overnight, which no big deal. I ain't even tripping off that. I already planned on it. I got my grandpa on his way out here to come pick me up. But I just wanted to check in with y'all real quick. I'm at the dealership. They didn't really tell me much as far as you know, what they think it might be or whatever. Ooh, I don't know about y'all, but I love the way these new Blazers look. Super clean. I love how they look like the Camaros. I got no issue with that at all. This is a Premier right here. This boy nice. But all right, I just wanted to check in with y'all. It's your boy Whisper Thing. I'm up out this thing, man.
Hey. Did it right away. Kobe, a wide open three on all floors. In and out, and it's back in again. It's a...
See the way Kobe was off it by 5-6 feet, telling him to take the shot. It'll be Kobe. Crashing in with a... Kobe at buzzer. Yes. Count it. Got the contact.
Isolated on Jarrett Jack for the lead. Yes!
And a quick flash. The ball got back in time. Now Kobe trying to make a reason. And he does. Moves it down big time.
Last three possessions haven't been good for the Lakers.
Yeah,
They're holding on to it again. It's gone down, but Kobe attacks the basket on the shot clock. On a 12-3 run, Kobe got it! Kobe's got it!